Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Gaiman, and I'm here to practice the sound R with you. When we see AR together, most times we're going to hear the sound R, just like in our picture here, star. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do a few like this, but then we're also going to switch and we're going to practice spelling some of these words as well. So we're going to start out just listening for the sound R. Here we go. Yeah, so what we want to do, listen again. R, star. We have a jar and paint. Point to the one that makes the R sound. Moving on. Okay, so we have the R sound with AR. Egg, farm. Point to the one. Okay, same picture. Okay, listen one more time. Plate, yarn. Point to the right one. We want to hear the R sound, kind of like a pirate says. Okay, let's do a few more. Same picture. Okay, let's listen again. We have yarn and tie. Point to the one that makes the R sound. Okay, same picture over here. Okay, so again, we have dog, barn. We want the one that makes the R sound. Point to the picture. Okay, so here we have the star and then our pictures. Let's do one more. Okay, one more time. Yarn, string. We want the one with the R sound. Point to the right picture. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to stop this one because we're going to move on, boys and girls, and I want to practice spelling some of these words. Okay, so go ahead and stop this video, and I hope you join me on the next one.